Hello friends, in today's video, I'm gonna be walking through how to make email replies using ChatGPT. First of all, we need to add an extension on our browser. Open a new tab and type here, ChatGPT Writer. Open the first URL. Click on download free extension. Add this extension on your browser. Once it's added, we need to pin the extension. To do that, click on this puzzle icon and pin the ChatGPT Writer extension. And then open your Gmail. Then open the email where you want to generate a reply. Scroll down and click on reply. And through the extension, you will get this option here. Click on that. And now click on generate reply. And then the ChatGPT Writer extension will generate a reply for your mail. Once done, click on insert generated response. Once it's inserted, you can customize these reply from here. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to How to 1 Minute. Thank you for watching.